Racing Columbus Faded Family, you know, HG fam, what's happening? Just got this Toy Barn car meet, man. Finna go look at all these nice cars, man. Some nice cars showed up today at this meet at Toy Barn. So yeah, we finna go see all the toys that came out, you feel me? So I'm gonna get y'all some good footage and show y'all all the cars, man, for my phone died. I'm gonna show y'all all the nice things I got about here, man. So stay tuned for the video, man. Watch the whole video, man. There's gonna be a lot of good cars in here, man. You feel me? So stay tuned, watch the whole thing. right, guys, man, that was it for the car show, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the little, the little visuals that I dropped on there on the video, man. It was a lot of nice cars that turned out and everything, man. Nice little thing. So shout out Toy Barn for the nice little event. You know what I'm saying? Comment, like, rate, and subscribe, man. Got some more content coming from you guys. Just wanted to drop this quick little video for a nice little Sunday. You know, pop in, you feel me, for a little morning time. You know, so yeah, man, I'm about to get out of here. Do some rolling shots and everything with a couple of guys. Peace to the next video.